Morning guys, happy Monday to you. This video is for Fusion 360 for Monday. This is our assignment. We're going to start on the revolution function for the train stack, the smokestack that is, as you can see in the picture here. If you'd like to open that picture on your computer to follow along, that'd be great, and if you can split window it, hey, that's even better. What we're going to do, you can see that this is a half section view. The section with the slashed lines, this is the part that we're going to be drawing. We're going to be drawing this profile, and then we're going to revolve it around the axis or the center. What's important to notice here when you're looking at this dimension drawing is that everything is measured in diameters. This is a diameter of 0.50, diameter of 0.125, diameter of 0.875, diameter of 0.375. But those measurements we're going to use, we're going to have to split in half because we need the radius for that, because we're going to spin it around the axis. So I'm going to start at this lower corner here, and I want you to follow along with me so that you can make this. You're going to draw this line out here, up here, over here, over here, and then we're going to spin it around. Let me drag this off here. So, as you can see, I'm logged into Fusion 360 already. If you're using Inventor or Onshape, please open up the appropriate video and follow along. This one is not for you. If you're using 360 though, we're going to start by creating a new sketch, and I'm going to put it on the front view, and I am going to start with a line from the center, and I'm going to come out half of the diameter of 0.50, so I'm going to come out 0.25. Okay. Now, this says I'm then going to come up here 0.25, and I'm going to draw this line somewhere up here, but I'm going to measure that point vertically 1.5 from the bottom. So I come back to my line function, start on the end here. I'm going to come up 0.25. And then I'm just going to come up here somewhere and click. And I'm going to dimension this to be come over here to this bottom line, click on that, drag this over, and I'm going to make that 1.5. Okay. Now, when I look at this, it's like, well, that's 1.5 down, but how far over is it? If I follow this edge around here, it comes over to here, it says that this has a diameter of 0.125. So, if I dimension that, it's going to be, I need to come down here to the center point and then come up here. It's going to be 1.25 divided by 2. That is wrong. Oh, no, it's not. That's correct. Wait a minute, where's my dimension? Yes, 0.125 divided by 2. Okay. So, the next thing I'm going to do is draw a line from here up on an angle. Click and hit escape because I only need the line. Now when I look at this line, we see it has a height of 1.75, but this angle part here, they don't give us the outer diameter. What they tell us is that that's 15 degrees off of vertical. So we need a vertical line. So I'm going to draw a line from the end of here, straight up, hit escape to get out of there, and then I'm going to dimension from this line to this line and slide up. You'll see it gives me the angle. I want that to be 15. Okay? Now, before I do anything else, I need to set the dimension from the top of this line down to this bottom line to be 1.75. Once I've done that, I can come back here, click on my vertical line that we used to create the 15-degree measurement. I can click on that and then hit the delete button on the keyboard. You'll notice my 15 degrees stays there though. Okay? So we have this complete outside line now. We need to draw a line horizontal across the top there. And it says that it's going to come across to this circle which has a diameter of 0.875, and it's this, they're describing this hole. The hole is 0.875 in diameter, and then it comes down 0.375. So I need to draw my small line coming straight across. Hit escape. Let me drag this line to the other side and draw this 0.625 up out of the way. Now, the dimension from the end of here to the center point needs to be 0.875 divided by 2. So that's 0.438. Now we're drawing a line. It says that the hole goes down 3/8 or 0.375. So I draw that line. Now, how long is this line right here? Well, it's coming from the bottom of this hole over to this hole. And it says that this hole is 0.375 in diameter. So I'm going to draw another vertical or horizontal line from the end of that line over. I hit escape. Now I want to drag this dimension out of the way. And I'm going to dimension from here to this center line to be 0.375 divided by 2. See, I keep dividing that by 2 because it's half the diameter. All right? I'm going back to create another line. Go back to where we left off at the end of this line and come down. Now, what I just did, they did not tell me how deep this 0.375 hole was. So since there is no dimension, it's an inferred dimension, which means that it is it is suggested and that it is the same depth as this line here. So what I did is I came over to here with my line, and then I moved back across and clicked so it was the same dimension. What I did was grabbed a geometric constraint. I go back to the line, click over to the center, and then straight down. What I have done now, I can see that it's shaded in blue. I have created a profile there. So I saved my sketch, I finished my sketch, and now I need to come up and choose the revolve tool. And the profile is not highlighted in blue over here. The button that is chose to select, they want to know what axis or what line are we spinning this around. So it recognized the only profile there is, and we're going to choose this center line, like that. We're going to click OK, and we are going to come up to the tool panel, the data panel, rather, and we're going to save this as Smokestack. And that is our work for the start of the week here. Alright, that's automatically saved. I can see that it's named here. It's in my projects file for Fusion. And that's all we're doing for today. I say that because this only took me 12 minutes, but I highly suspect it'll probably take you close to an hour to do that. When you get done, Control-Alt-Print screen, copy it into a Google Doc, name it Smokestack, and share it with me. Or take a picture of your computer screen with your phone, put that in the Google Doc, name it Smokestack, share it with me, or send me pictures. Whatever it is that works for you. Let's just get this done. Send it to me so I can give you a grade. All right? I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.